The correct answer will shock you. Why? What people do 1 plus 1 as 2 times 1 as 2. Similarly, 1 plus 1 as 2 times 1 as 2 and 2 divided by 2 as 1, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression like this, if you have to follow when multiple operation, then you have to always follow PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to always solve the bracket. So it's 2, and if there is no sign between bracket and the number, there is multiplication. So it's 1 times 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, as per this rule, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to always solve from left to right. So it's left to right is 2 times 1 as 2 divided by 1 times 2. 2 divided by 1 times 2. So it's 2 times 2, that is 4. So what is the correct answer? 4, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.